Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. How do you put a light on? Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Oh, my lord.
Kumbaya. Oh Lord, Kumbaya.
And again.
Someone
told me about this song.
No,
but
someone's
I don't know
sleeping, Lord. Kumbaya.
Papers on fire and I'm gonna burn myself, Lord. Ah! Lord.
Kumbaya.
Fuck it.
Kumbaya, my Lord. Kumbaya. Oh,
Why are we so sad?
Lord, Kumbaya.
Ow! Ow! Finger!
Bugger
Shit,
face.
fuck it, bollocks, cunt.
Bugger face.
Oh, Jesus, no! It's gonna fire!
Dire Straits there, guys. Kumbaya, my lord.
Kumbaya!
Film it. Kumbaya, my lord. Get some paper, please. Don't put it on yourself, 'cause you are shite.
You've got your finger over the camera.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Lord.
Oh, the paper.
Get out the way,
It's
my
really
lord.
good. Get out the way.
Kumbaya.
Ow! Sorry, I'm
Kumbaya, my
immune to
lord.
fire,
Oh,
like
no,
everyone else.
No, it's gonna go up really big.
Oh, Lord. Move out the way. It's gonna be huge.
It's gonna blow, bitch.
Kumbaya. What other camp songs?
I got
Oh.
coconut boots.
No, Joe. Hey, my name's Joe, and I work in a button factory. Does no one know that one?
No.
Got a wife
bit
and
gay.
3 kids.
Yeah, I know it, but I don't know the words.
And one day, my friend
Let's put
he
a
said
firelight
to
on
me,
there, 'cause it's
he
really
said,
not
Where is
lighting.
it?
"Hey, Joe,
Where is it? Where's the
Where's the
firelight?
firelight? You dumb.
I
the
don't
firelight?
know, my
I'll put it on
lord.
there.
I don't know. I don't know, my
You're not
lord.
filming, are you?
I don't know. Yes, of course I am.
No, you stupid.
I don't know."
Oh, it's a hot in.
Oh, it feels like a sauna life.
Yeah, put your thing in there.
No, because I'm using it. It's like...
Ooh.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Oh, I can see it. All I can see is your headlight.
More paper!
And then this really
Papey.
this floating orange
Pape.
thing.
Pape!
Pape.
See me. I
Pape.
haven't got any left.
No, you...
No, we've got no supplies.
Oh, how are we going to light it?
Leaves.
Relight my fire!
Dum, 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 dum.
Your love is my only desire.
Right, let's sing to this mum.
To do, some more. To do some more. Comme ça.
La vie c'est
Do.
Where are you getting this song from?
You made it up?
I love it.
No.
What is it?
It's feist, ma'am.
Feast.
It's feist, you weirdo.
I'd say
Who
feast.
says feast?
Me and
Hey,
Becca
hey, I
and
haven't done
Amy.
I need to get
And
I
Hannah,
want to
actually.
roll. Roll.
To do. Kumbaya, my lord. I can't believe it's gone out. We need more pape.
Laggy googie.
To do.
Gaggy
do
goo.
some
Giggy
more.
goo.
To do.
No, can we not raise the gas because I need to use it for later.
Bonsoir.
Wait, baby. Baby.
Mhm.
Baby. La 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 la. Can you
Where-
see me?
Yeah. Can you put your light on so that we can see it more? There. That's Charlie's headlight. All you can see is a headlight. To do. All you can see is your nose.
Someone's a bit.
Oh, it looks like
Jeepers creepers. Jeepers creepers. Where'd you get
those peepers.
Do you remember we used to sing that?
We just creep each other out.
Peepers.
Yeah.
Where'd you get
Used to be
those
a meme
eyes?
thing.
Yeah.
The rabbit scene. Look at this.
Oh wow! I can see when you do that. Oh my god! I can see you when you do it. Do it again.
No,
What are you doing?
I'm rolling. Just keep. What are you doing?
Keep rolling. Can you like me?
No.
Ah, the glowing stick of life.
Charlie, can you pass me the lighter, please?
No.
Please.
Are you lighting?
Yeah. No, I just want to look at it.
Can I do it?
No, because I don't know, because you burn my hair like you burnt knees.
Yeah, because it goes up that bright. Oh, for goodness sake, Charlie. Shake it, babe.
You need to get the gas the right side. Can you?
No, show you. I'll show you. Look.
Shake it. It's not a side, it's in the middle.
Rose here.
Can I have a go?
Come here, look. I want to just.
Oh,
You
for
just
goodness
stop for a
sake,
little
Charlie.
bit. Charlie, come here. I want to
See, that's...
Oh, come here.
Come on. That hurt.
For a little bit.
Can we grab another one when we go up?
Grab what?
Can we try and find another one around
Yeah.
your house?
I
Do you
don't
think?
really have any more.
Right, we're going to say goodbye now because we've only got 13 minutes and 17 seconds left.
Bye.
Bye.
Come by, ah, my lord. Come by, ah.